Hi friends, welcome to Java Express channel. This is Venkat Bhaskar. In previous section, we discussed about how to copy files from one place to another place, and accordingly, and we saw how to create directories and how to remove directories. So in this session, we are going to see how to move files from one place to another place, and I want to rename from I have an old file, I want to rename to a new name. How I can do that? In this session we are going to see. Okay. For the moving and renaming directories, for the command is same, the command is mb. This is the command for both. We can perform the operations. How I can rename the files? Not only the files, I can do the for directories also. Okay. And if you go for further, then I want to move files into a directories. That means not only single file, I can move multiple files at a time. I can send these whole files to a destination directory. Okay. And one more I have, it's is a single file and all files of one directory. So directory to directory, in one directory I have 100 files. Okay. In this directory these 100 files move to another directory. How I can do that? Okay. And not only the files, I can do directory to directory communication also. I can perform by using the mb command. Okay. We will see how the syntax will be then. I will show you. Let me log in. Okay. Before going to that, let me the word document here. So the syntax will be the mb command. Okay. And there is a file name, old file name. This is the syntax, and the new file name. Okay. If you do the ls command, same we can perform here. Okay. I do the ls command. Okay. I'm at which directory? Current working directory is the desktop. Then I can do the ls. For the same syntax, just perform this operation, move command. Okay. So my file name is output.txt. This is my old file name. So I want to move, I want to rename the file. Okay. To d.txt. If you do the ls command, this output.txt is converted into d.txt. Check ls command. See, this is d.txt. Okay. This is just renaming files. Not only the renaming files, I can perform the action renaming directories also. How I can do that? Same command, mv old file name instead of file I can say old directory name and new directory name. Okay, same syntax, just it's a directory. Okay. If you see here, I want to change, this is output. How I can show this is a directory or a file? Do ls-l. It will give long listing of files with all permissions. Okay. If you see, output is in a directory. See, d indicates a directory, hyphen indicates a normal file. Okay. So I want to change this output directory to some other name. How I can do that? mv command. So output. Okay. Output is my folder name. I want to change to which one? I want to change to output 2. Okay. When I click enter, just do the ls command. If you see here, output to it is changed. This is the syntax for change file and directory for the both. Okay. Then we'll go for the next command. So next I want to move, okay, files to directory. How I can do this action? Okay. Command is same, mv. Okay. I have a directory dir. Inside directory I have list of files. This star indicates list of files. To I want to move to where another directory. I have another directory too. In this directory one, what are the contents we have? Whole thing it will be copied to, sorry, move to directory 2. Okay, this is moving files to directory. See, we'll see here. Just I'm clearing my screen. ls command. Let me go for directory 3. cd. I will create two directories, mkdir dir1, mk dir2. Okay, I have two things. Sorry, the syntax is wrong. Okay, clear. Okay, now I have two directories. Just first step, what I will do, I will move c.txt to directory 1. Okay, move command mb c.txt to directory 1. If I do the ls command, now you can see. Okay, if you go for directory 1, you have c.txt, and I will create one empty file also here, touch e.txt and touch f.txt. okay, if you see here ls, in directory 1 I have 3 files. Okay, now go for cd directory 2. If you see here, the directory 2, there is no files. Now what I want to do, I want to move these all files into directory 2. How I can do that? Now you know very well, same syntax, mb dir. Okay, directory 1 slash star. Star indicates all files or directories. Move to directory 2. If I do here, it will move all files into directory. So now when you see the output, directory 1 is an empty folder and directory 2 contain cef text files. See, enter. Now ls command. Now cd directory 1. If you do the ls command, see, empty file. Just now check directory 2 folder. See here, c.txt, e.txt and f.txt. This is the way you can move files into a directory, moving all files of one directory to another directory. Now I'm saying moving a total directory to another directory. Here the difference between these two, directory itself it is moving to another. Here just in one directory I have multiple files I am moving. Here directory I am moving. Okay, you got my point. Now see the syntax. If you go for an Word document, see, there is a difference. Now I can use what, mb dir1 to dir2. What is the difference? These two means, in this directory, whatever I have a files, these files only will move to directory 2. Now if I run this command, this directory 1 itself move to the directory 2. Just check. cd, I come out of the directory 2. Just I'm clearing my screen. Do the ls. So I want to move this directory 1 to directory 2. When you do next time ls, this directory not exist. Okay, move mb directory 1 to directory 2. If you do the ls command, see, directory 1 is not exist. You got my point? Okay, now observe one more case here, mb directory 2 directory 3. When I do here, what will happen? Directory 2 folder goes to directory 3. Okay, now check ls command. Now if you see here, no directories. Again, what I am doing now, b.txt I want to move, d.txt I want to move to directory 3. Just I am moving all files into a single directory. Now do ls command. If you see here, no files, right? Now if I perform this action, move directory 3 to directory 4, what will happen? This directory 4 is not available. So what will happen now? Rename will happen. Whenever the files are exist, this directory is available, then it will move, otherwise it will change, rename will happen. As I said earlier, moving and renaming the command is same. How it will be? Now here directory 4 is not available, so directory 3 folder change to directory 4. If I click enter and do the ls, if you see here, directory 3 is not exist. If you want to cross check, go inside and check directory 4, any directory 3 is available. So if you see here, directory is not available. Okay, this is the use of the moving and renaming directories. Thank you guys, we will see in the next session. Please subscribe our channel to get latest notifications. Thank you guys.